All right, guys, let's talk cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Fresh mozzarella. Now, I've been messing around with the fresh mozz, and this is what I found. Guy right here is actually a butter slicer. Okay, so we got the mozz. Now, pull it out of there. Yeah, you don't need all of that. Cut it in half. Okay, so we just drag it. And it makes these ribbons. And there you have it. Just the most perfect shredded fresh mozz that I could find. I'm just telling you what, guys. I mean, like, that was half the ball. That was what, 30 seconds? Then I go down the middle. So it cuts it again. And then when you're done, there you go. Not too shabby. And then this is, the stuff we had from before. We're fixing to use it up tonight. Store it in the glass dish. But anyway, guys, fresh mozz, that's how you do it. I'm telling you what, that's the best way. Y'all, thanks for watching.